Hey guys, so this week we are doing a 20 by 19 garage. It is attached, but it is not heated. I forgot that part, so we won't be putting a moisture barrier down. Stick around for the tear out with the new machine, doing the perimeter, laying the rebar, and then my favorite part, the pour. So if you guys have any questions, let us know, guys. See you then. So guys, you see what I'm doing here? Oh, by the way, the 100 is kicking ass. New breaker, new Bobcat. I mean, it's Bobcat's flagship breaker and mini skid steer design. It's kicking ass. I wanted to show you guys something about how I'm breaking here. So I can see here there's no wire rebar. What I like to do is I basically drag my breaker by like that, and then I pin, hit it like that. I try and come up with straight lines and then break it across so that I can get big chunks. That way, and every time that I come back and forth with this Bobcat to load on the trailer, I can pick up a whole bunch of concrete, as opposed to struggling with little pieces that fall out, people having to load. So I will need help loading like these little ones and stuff, but a majority of these big ones, this machine will pick them up, toss them up, and that's why I like breaking these this way. Now there's many situations where you got to break it up small because there might be pipes on the perimeter, stuff like that, but I got foundation here, foundation there. I got a base, I think, board over there, here. I'm gonna take my time over there, obviously, because there's a lot of stuff going on there. But yeah, I like breaking it up into big chunks. It's just quick, easy, easier to load. If you were loading onto a dump truck, big chunks can get kind of hard because they'll kind of stack upon each other like pickup sticks and take up a lot of space. But I like laying these flat inside the trailer and inside the F550. That way they fit in place real nice. But yeah, so far so good. And the 100, yeah, it's everything that I expected. Kicking ass as always. Hey, good morning, guys. So this morning what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the laser and I'm gonna put it on top of the concrete here, and we're gonna get our base points from there and there, and then I'm gonna go a 1% grade up that way, which is 1/8 per foot, and then I'll make my marks over there, and then we're gonna run chalk lines along the walls, And then after that, we're gonna put in our expansion, and then that'll be basically where our concrete's gonna be. And then we're gonna come in and dig out the dirt after moving the laser and remove some of the soft soil, a couple inches worth, bring in some road base, compact the hell out of it. Oh my God, I keep looking everywhere, looking for my pencils. Anyone seen my pencil? Where is my pencil? I had the pencil in my hand. I was gonna make a mark. See guys, you can't trust nobody. You lose your pencils. You have to buy like 20 of them, and then they're all gone, and then... Beautiful job, isn't it? Beautiful. It's coming. It's coming together. The plate compactor, the machine after this, has its limitations. So since there was so much road base coming in here on the back end, we ended up doing it in 2 lifts, which means we brought in a few inches of road base, which we didn't have here in the video, and then we compacted that, and then we brought in another couple inches of road base and compacted that. So you'll see me, this is the first couple inches, which is well below the expansion, and then we brought in some more and then compacted that, and then we were perfect. Hey guys, so everything is ready and good to go. MT100 kicked butt as expected, but there it is guys. We got our rebar in, we got our perimeter in. So I was super confused about my slope here. I kept wondering, I was like, what the heck is going on? Why wasn't this working? So I didn't realize that the driveway is sloping really bad that way, and we followed the driveway. So when we did our perimeter originally, I was all confused why it wasn't lining up with the garage doors. Once we realized that, we went off of the garage doors, made sure they were level. We went off of them, and then we went up to the door, which is kind of good because I wanted it closer to the bottom of that threshold anyways. We're like a slightly below, but it's sitting on wood anyways. But there it is, guys. I'm excited for tomorrow for the pour. What do you guys think? Not too bad, not too shabby. All right, see you tomorrow at the pour, guys. So guys, what I was doing just now was I like checking where the door hits to make sure that we got the right amount of slope. For some reason, whenever you hit your doors, it's good to make sure that your door sits flush with the concrete, and then your slope is right, in case you guys were curious. El cemento adentro como agarra relleno, ¿no? No, está por igual. Hey, how's it going, guys? So somebody, I don't want to point fingers, forgot to do that final clip where I'm walking through the job and it's all finished. And you guys saw where it was ending right there. I walked out with like a little dog in my hands. Little dog distracted me. Job was over. Started talking to the customer, but either way, job came out really awesome. The floor looked great. I came in the next day and walked it, talked to the customers. They were really happy with it. Everybody just liked how it came out. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for clicking on the video. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. See you guys next week. Next week we're doing a rounded back patio with a little step extension on a stoop on the side of a house. So we will see you guys then. Thanks, guys.